How to make good ads that make at least $1 million in sales, all in this video. You think I'm kidding? We'll show you proof and we'll show you the exact ads that have made me over $1 million. You'll be able to implement this too. No idea how good you are at making ads, no idea if your product or service sucks, no idea if you have the work ethic of a sloth. But I will show you some of my best performing ads and I will show you how you can make several $1 million with ads and how to create them. Now, if you're the get rich quick person on here, you will not make several $1 million. If you're a short-term mindset, you will not make several $1 million. If you do not have the business mind, you will not make several $1 million. But if you want to know how to make good ads for your product or service, happens all in this video. My name is Ben Oberg and the motto is unlimited cash flow. Let's get straight into it. What's up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. No bullshit, no sugarcoating, let's just walk straight into it. I'm not gonna say, here, I'm gonna show you this, let's walk straight into it. Ads have to have a good hook. I don't care if you're e-commerce, I don't care if you're digital or a physical product, ads have to have a good hook. Tip number one, in the first 5 seconds of the video, have a hook. Here's what a hook means. Stop. If you give me the next 37 seconds of your time, I'm gonna explain how you can make at least $10,000 per month in your e-commerce business. Stop. If you're doing dropshipping, you're doomed to fail. A recent study shows that you only have a 1% chance of actually making money dropshipping. So if you want to make money dropshipping, what you need to do is do this. In the next 27 seconds, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay? These are hooks. Another really good hook is to have something actually visually in the background. Like if I had this hung up right here. It's kind of weird, all right? It's like, what the heck is that here for? I'm not providing the hook myself, but because there's something kind of off in the background, people start listening to the video, okay? You have to have a hook in your ad. Things that enhance hooks are actually stating in the first few seconds of your ad what it is that they're getting, okay? You have to give the consumer what it is that they're searching for. Because when you place ads, you're gonna target people that wanna make money online. So your hook is like, if you're trying to make money online and you haven't made at least $5,000 in the last week, this might be something that's gonna help you. And in this video, I'm gonna explain to you exactly how you can start implementing this if you don't wanna make just $5,000 this week, but you wanna make at least $10,000 this month and have a sustainable online business. Then get into your thing, have a hook. Things that enhance hooks are when you have something off in the background that is a pattern interrupt, it's called a pattern interrupt, or it's something that would just make people watch the video a little bit longer. You need to have a good hook. You got to realize that on YouTube ads and Facebook ads, especially YouTube here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, skip. That's usually the first thing somebody's going to do if they're not connecting with what you've said in the first few seconds of the ad. So I got to instill in you guys, if you want to create good ads, you need to have a hook, okay? Now the second part of this, and going on the hook real quick, just riding on the hook, it has to be relevant to what they're searching. So for example, when you place ads and you target make money online, online business, how to start an online business, okay? Your hook, once again, has to be very congruent with who you know you've placed that ad in front of, with what you know you're targeting, okay? With the search parameters you're targeting. There's got to be congruency in that, because if you're targeting how to make money online and then you're like, here's my e-commerce dropshipping store. There's a little bit of a lack of congruency there because you didn't really transcribe going from how to make money online to your hook being something about e-commerce. So you've got to have a congruency there, okay? If you're trying to make money online, here's what I've been doing. Here's my e-commerce store. There's a bunch of different ways to make money online. This is the best one by far. And then in the next minute or so, I'm going to explain to you exactly why this is. And if you don't think so in the next 60 seconds, I don't have you convinced, you can shut me up, you can hang up, you can slam your computer shut, okay? My name is Ben Oberg. This is my e-commerce store. Here's my students' results. You could be able to do this too. So I'm going to walk you through the 3-step process that I use to be able to make sales like this and have a 50% profit margin in my e-commerce store, which is unheard of. If you go Google it, people will tell you, oh, only 20% margin. Here's 50%. Here's proof. Now let's dig in and show you how. Screen share pops up, okay? The second element in ads are interactiveness and engagement. Once again, interactiveness and engagement. Before I go any farther, pattern interrupt. Here's a pattern interrupt. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Really appreciate that. Love the support you guys are putting out here for me. Always trying to drop the best videos out here. Have I taken a breath of air yet? No, not really, so I'm gonna keep freestyling this, okay? No script here. We're gonna get right back into this, okay? You have to have engagement. You have to have engagement on ads. Very important. So what engagement looks like is interaction, okay? You want to create interactiveness on the ads. So what I mean by that is camera's zooming in, it's zooming out. You've got a different camera angle. You're coming from here, you're coming from here, okay? You might have screen shares that pop up. You might have things that you reference and they just float into the screen. So editing is very important on ads. You have to have engagement. To summarize all of this, your ads need to just not be boring, okay? Think of what would make you watch a 59-second video on Instagram, all right? My Explore page on Instagram is full of cute dogs and puppies and then like really cool cars, vintage cars, 32 Fords, 36 Fords, 51 Mercs, things like that, okay? So for me, when I see a car and it sounds a certain way or it looks a certain way, I can watch a 59-second video and realize I just wasted the last 1 minute of my life. Same with puppies. If there's a dog doing something cute or it's a wiener dog and its stomach's dragging on the ground, it's trying to be all cute, I'll watch it. And a minute later, I realize I lost a minute of my life to some bullshit. Your ads have to have that element in there. They have to have interactiveness and engagement. I'm not even sure if interactiveness is a word. It's probably not. I didn't go to college and I don't have a degree. I've just made millions of dollars online and millions of dollars with ads, which I will show you one of my best performing ads in just a little bit here. You have to speak to the people. Recap. You have to have a hook. First 5 seconds are really important. Stop what you're doing. If you give me the next 27 seconds of your time, I'm gonna show you how you can make at least $10,000 per month in drop shipping. Here's what I did. I don't care what everybody else says. In the next 27 seconds, I'm gonna explain to you exactly what to do. Goes to a screen share. See, this is the store. We started off like this. We took it to here. We took this product. We used this strategy, and we now did $10,000 in 1 month in sales. I wanna teach you how to do this too, and it's not just me. Here's a student, boom, back to you on camera. Zooms in, zooms out, different camera angle. Okay, these are interactive points and engagement points, okay? Your hook is congruent with who you place it in front of. It has to make sense or, oh yes, I have been trying to make money online. Now they're watching your ad talking about making money online. It has to be interactive and engaging. Bottom line, not boring, okay? It has to engage people because you need to tell enough of a story in a short amount of time to get them to follow through on your call to action, okay? I like to place ads that are no less than 2 minutes and really no greater than 6 minutes. The 2, 3, 4 minute is the sweet spot. Less than that, not enough time to have a hook, be engaging, build the story, show the proof, get to your big idea on why this works, and have the call to action, okay? Longer than that, people are gonna go away, okay? So it cannot be boring. It's gotta have a hook, all right? The other part of this is when you transition to your call to action, it should be very fluidic, okay? Here's a store did $21,000 in a single month, all right? This is my client's e-commerce store. Here's mine right here. And if you're trying to get started in drop shipping, you failed to this point, don't worry. I'm gonna drop the secret sauce on this video. You won't have to fail any longer. So I use a very simple process right here. It involves 4 steps. Step 1 is to do this. And the reason I do this is because while most people are trying to go this route, and you might have been victim to this, they try to do this, they try to source a bunch of different products, they just look at sales on AliExpress and go, hey, I should sell. But you gotta realize that people don't know you when you're running ads to them or when you're getting your e-commerce store out there. You got to convince them to do business with you. So number 1 is I have to have a high converting theme, a high converting store. Once I do that, I use a specific process to be able to find the right type of products. The third thing that I do is I make sure that I've got engaging creatives to drive traffic to these products. And the fourth thing I do is I create recurring income by generating repeat business from my customers. And if you want to learn all of this, I've actually got a free training that I'm hosting. You can click the link and you can get me to shut up at any point during this video, and it's just going to give you some insight as to what you need to do. Now, there's no guesswork in this, okay? When you click the link and you join my free training, you're actually gonna get the exact process. And speaking of the high converting theme, okay, it's called a HCT, high converting theme, okay? I'm gonna give you this theme. I'm gonna give you this theme on this training. Now, you're not in competition with me, I'm not in competition with you, okay? There's 8 billion people on the world. There's no chance in hell that I'm ever gonna reach every single one of them or anywhere near that with my e-commerce business, same to you. But we can all reach a small portion of them. I wanna give you this theme file so you're actually able to install this directly on your Shopify store. Here's how you do it actually. When you go to your Shopify store, you'll see themes, you'll click theme, and then you'll just click upload, okay? And you're gonna be able to take my theme. I've already spent $2,000 on this. You're gonna get it for free. Ben, why would you give it to me for free? Once again, I'm not in competition with you. You're not in competition with me. There's space for everybody to win here. If you're watching this video and you haven't won yet, once again, you need to click the link. and register for my training so you can learn my 4-step simple process to starting a store, having a high converting theme, having winning creatives to drive traffic to products, and be able to create recurring business, okay? If you want to learn all of that, I promise this is going to be the financial turning point for your future and for your e-commerce business in 2020. My name is Ben Oberg. I've been doing this for 3.5 years now. I've made millions of dollars online, and I have students that have made millions of dollars as well. I want you to be the next top one. You could have the work ethic of a sloth. I don't know, but try me. Humor me. And if any of this has made any sense to you and you're sitting here going, you know what, I do want an e-commerce store that works. I'm tired of failing and I want somebody that can truly help me. I encourage you, click the link, register for the class, show up with a pen and a piece of paper, take notes, and be ready to have your life and your business changed. I'll see you on the training. That is a good ad. That's a script to the ad. You can take that, you can rewind this video, you can freestyle that for your own ad, okay? Things I would add to that. Obviously, I would have the screen shares popped up when I said, here's my store, here's my student store. I would zoom in, I would zoom out. I would have interactiveness and engagement. I'd maybe have a little bit of music in the background as I'm getting towards the end of my ad. And did you see how I dropped the link in there multiple times? I was like, click the link and this is why, and blah, 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 blah. And once again, click the link and blah, 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 blah. You can click the link and you can find out more. It wasn't like, hey, so what I'm telling you right now is click the link and buy, okay? It was very fluidic. It's very fluidic, all freestyled. I'm gonna give you 2 more tips here on this video. Starting with, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you wanna continue getting 8-figure information, not 7-figure, not 6-figure, get that shit out of your head, okay? I am not here, and you are not here to operate at a 6-figure level. It's average, it's average. And $1 million is a middle-class, poverty-stricken person, okay? Once you hit that $1 million level, you'll realize that $1 million is not very much money. It's not. So stop listening to 6-figure mommy and daddy and 7-figure middle-class person, okay? Listen to the opinions of people that have money and have achieved what you want. I'm here to tell you that 6 figures and 7 figures is not enough. So if you want more in business, subscribe to this channel. Okay, now 2 other pieces of advice I wanna give you, okay? Have a countdown timer. It works really well. Create some urgency in that. So as you're getting towards the end of your ad, don't conclude it. Don't inform them that the plane is landing, but have a countdown timer that pops up. It creates some urgency. It's like, oh shit, this video is about to end. I need to click this link and register. Video ads with countdown timers tend to have a higher click-through rate. In other words, more people actually following through that call to action and clicking the link. That's something very, very, very important, okay? And the last tip I'm gonna give you, have good audio, okay? Have good audio. Make sure that it's professional. Audio and lighting are very important. So have good lighting, have good audio, all right? Don't have an echo in your sound. Don't have any crackling in your audio. You want to make sure it's crisp, it's clear, okay? You want it to really come across professional. You will get paid based on your perception. If you use words like get rich quick, free, 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 all right? Giveaway, 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 all right? Mooch, mooch, mooch. You're gonna attract moochers and you're gonna attract people with low intellect that don't wanna pay you anything, all right? So your perception is very important. It's not hard for me to attract people that have multi-million-dollar businesses because of my perception, because I speak well, because I articulate points, and because I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm raw. Like, I'm gonna be very direct with you. It's either this way or it's not. You're either fake or you're real, okay? You're a Republican or you're a Democrat. I don't give a shit, okay? There's no bullshit here. And my value and my information is not 5, 6, or 7-figure information, okay? So I attract people that are business minded. And of course, we're always gonna get the tire kickers, the looky-loos, and the non-serious individuals. But I'm telling you that how you speak is very important, because your word choice and how you choose to behave and conduct yourself is very, very, very directive towards what kind of people you attract, okay? So speak well and have good audio and good lighting. I'll see you in the next video. Click the link.